In this video, I am going to review 3 of the oils from Ashworth Oud. This is, I think, from Ireland or UK. I think he's from UK. This brand, this is the actual bottles I'm going to show you and which one I like the best. Okay, so here is the bottle of Ashworth Oud, and these are actually 2 oud oils, Oud ACEH Flora. From ACEH is, I think, from Indonesia, the region of Indonesia. Borneo, Borneo is a very sweet oil. And one more is Oud Sumbawa, my favorite. Okay, so here is the bottle of Oud Sumbawa. It's very dark and black and thick. So these are the 3 oud oils I bought from Ashworth Oud. And for the starters, if you are a beginner, you want sweet oud oils, then this one is for you. I am going to describe Oud ACEH Flora first and how it actually smells like. It's green in color. It has lactonic kind of very wet smell that is very sweet. It's like a floral flowers mixed into milk, and milk is very liquid, not thick milk. Don't think that it's a dense milk. It's just florals mixed into milk, and it's very lactonic kind of green. Its color is actually green. So I'm going to show you, maybe you can see it's greenish color. And it's very calming. It has a calming effect. It's very sweet. It's kind of floral. That is why the name Oud ACEH Flora. I have one more oud oil from this region, from Imperial Oud ACEH, and that ACEH Indonesia, and that is marvelous too. So this one for me is very linear. It stays almost the same. I wouldn't say that it is very high quality oud oil or have a lot of different faces or lot of different notes in it. It stays linear. And if you like sweet oud oil with some floral touch to it that are cool, you can use them in summers too. This one is a good option from Ashworth Oud. Okay, so let's start with the next one. So I'm going to apply this on my neck. Oud Borneo Tarakan. So Tarakan is the region, I think. Oud Borneo is the area, and it's a bit golden brownish kind of oud oil. Or when someone is a beginner, I think this Borneo Oud oil is the best bet for them. It's very sweet. It's like sugary sweet, too sweet for me, and it has leaves, green and sweet. So it's like you have put sugar cubes on a fresh green leaf and applied that on your skin. So if I would describe this Oud Borneo Tarakan in 2 words, then this is the description, best description. Green leaves, very sweet green leaves, and I would say wet. Again, I don't like very dry ouds. This is one of the best from Ashworth Oud. And my favorite in the end, I love this Oud Sumbawa. Although I have ordered like, you can say just 1 gram, but this is the best. Okay, so if I would describe this one, this is smoky, dense, green jungle. It's like you have some smoke or some volcano burning out of the forest, and you are standing inside that forest. So you are getting the whiffs of that smoke. And it's also very sweet. So I would say my favorite or winner is Oud Sumbawa from Ashworth Oud. If you like that kind of green, smoky kind of profile, it doesn't have too much smoke, but you can say in the background it has some smoky, you can say, air to it. Okay, So this is my review about Ashworth Oud. I really enjoyed oud oils from Ashworth Oud, and I will order some more in the future. So if you like to try Ashworth Oud, this is my review about 3 of his oils, and I would be signing off now. I'm going to say goodbyes, and we will meet in another video with another scent or maybe some oud oil or some perfume. Till then, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.